Question B says that you should name the line item you would expect the credit entry of the transfer fee payments received to be included in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income of each football club respectively in terms of IAS 1 presentation of financial statements. So let's go and look at the journals that they gave you. You have to go and look at when the payment is received by each party. So for each credit entry, you would have to go and identify which line item in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income it would be included in. Some students drafted the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. This is unnecessary as the question only asked you to name the line item. Some students said that the line item is an asset, intangible asset, or inventory. This is incorrect because none of these are line items of the SPLOCI. They are line items of the statement of financial position. The credit entry is also not an expense because you received money in your bank account. So how can you record an expense when you received money? You will only record an expense when you actually pay money or incur an expense. Another way that you can look at this is by drawing a T account. You had an increase in the assets because you had an inflow of cash into your bank account. If there's an increase in assets, there should either be an increase in the liabilities or an increase in the equity of the entity. In this case, it is not a liability because this is not a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income line item, and you don't have an obligation towards another party. So this leaves equity. An increase in equity results in income. So now that you've established that the credit entry represents income, you have to go and identify which line items in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income represents income. These are revenue and other income. So for each football club, we have to go and choose one of these line items. So if we go and look at Bayern, we see that they record the contracts with the players as part of their inventories, which means that when they sell these contracts with the players, they would record the income as revenue. So that would be the line item in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income that would be affected. For Manchester United, they record the contracts with the players as part of intangible assets, meaning that when they sell these contracts, the credit journal for this would be profit on sale of the intangible assets. However, you cannot say that this is the answer because this is not a line item in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. It forms part of the other income line item.